G'day, Stu from UAV Futures here, and today, well, a bit of a bonus episode. We're with Long Range Tony, checking out his Zod Dart. What is it?
Zod Dart.
Zod Dart. I'm going to give that to you. And this one's pretty cool because what have you got? You've actually doing some camera control or something?
I've got some Flytron strobes.
Okay. Yes. It's looking very fancy.
Got an afterburner on the back.
Yep.
We've also put a second camera with a camera switcher, so you can get some just some pan to get a different angle while we're out flying.
Okay, and you've got your other normal FPV camera at the front.
Yeah, I've got a run cam split in the front.
So we're going to go for a flight, and we're going to jump between this front one and then this one and have a pan around. Don't cut your arm off.
That's the plan, Stuart.
Okay, all right. Is
how
it going to come back this time?
Oh, let's hope so, eh?
And what's the weather like today?
It's absolutely magic. We've got no wind today.
Yeah, it's a little bit wet, but there's no water in the air. It's super still.
And
so look at those trees. Nothing is moving at all.
And the ground is nice and soft. It's been raining for weeks, so
let's do it. Let's have a flight.
Let's give it a go, eh?
You're going to self-launch?
I'm going to self-launch this one. No, I'm not going to do auto launch. I'll throw it.
Okay.
All right, you good?
Yep. And she's away. Tony's practicing his line of sight skills here. Line of sight or line of shite? What's it going to be?
Definitely line of sight.
It looks great in the air. It's probably not even coming up on the camera. Do a pass.
All right,
I'll wait till you got your goggles on. That looks nice and stable up there.
That's good. I'll come down a bit lower. Yes. With this light, with this sky, the LEDs look pretty good.
Mate, it's super smooth up there. I'm watching the feed.
Here we come.
You don't want to do this with goggles on? Ah! You didn't think about the trees behind us though, did you?
I thought about it as soon as I could.
As soon as you turned around?
Yeah. All right, I'm on.
All right. I'm recording some DVR. I'm getting a little bit of break. Oh no, we're okay now.
I'm just going to flick the channel over.
Well, what's that? We're on the top of the nose.
There you go. How's that?
Well, I can't see much there.
Oh, how about if we do this?
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Do you know where you're going?
I've got no idea.
You're going a long way away, brother.
It's long range, Stu.
Yeah, but I meant for video. Does this have return to home?
Yep.
Oh, well.
Should we test it?
No.
Let's test the return to home.
No.
Ready? Hang on.
Return to launch, altitude.
Remember, don't disarm or whatever you did last time, right?
It's all good.
All right, switch back to the other camera. There we go.
There's home.
That's
home?
Yeah, we're above us now. So is it working? Have you
Watch,
got control?
Can you see? See it says launch?
Yes.
It should just circle above our
It
heads
is
now.
circling.
Only 80 metres. It just keeps circling around now till I disable this.
All right, so explain us, what have you done there? Explain to us, what have you done with the cameras?
So what I've done is I've got a servo. It takes servo connections, and there's one that goes out to the video transmitter.
This is at 4 minutes too for me.
Yep.
This 4 minute 6. Yep.
Yep. So there is a little dongle that goes inside the cabin, and it's got 4 servo connectors. One takes it to the video transmitter, and the 3 others are feeds from cameras. And by changing the position of a switch, you can switch between the 3 different cameras. So if I flick across now,
Yep.
I can then see a different camera.
Yep.
And then I can pan around and get a different view.
That's pretty cool. That's a nice camera up the top, man.
That's the Foxeer Predator, and it's really good.
I'm just going to jump in here because you can see obviously the DVR is not coming out correctly when we're watching this, and I believe the reason is it's between NTSC and PAL, because when you start the recording, it's recording in one format, and then when you switch over to the other camera, it's on the opposite format. So the DVR doesn't know to switch between the two. So that's why you're sort of getting one that looks all clear and then one that looks black and white that's split in half, and that's just a mismatch between the formats based on that it's recording it all in one single file. So that's what that was. But when you're watching it in the goggles, you didn't have any of that sort of issue. So I just want to kind of clarify that. We definitely weren't flying around looking at this.
So I thought we'd give that a go, and I think I'm going to embed another camera facing backwards.
Yes.
That's my next, well, I just wanted to try this out. Getting a bit of break up though.
I'm getting a little bit as well. So that's not
Yeah.
just in your goggles?
No, that's just in here. And is it just that camera, or is it?
Hang on,
Did we
let's,
get it?
let's...
I'm not getting it on that camera.
I'm not getting any breakup now. Oh, I've got a few flickers, but pretty
Yeah, but on
standard.
that one, it's just a little bit. But anyway,
Oh, no, it seems good now. I don't know about
So,
yours. It takes a while for the OSD to come through, actually, when you switch them.
all right. So now I'm back in manual mode.
Okay.
Altitude hold.
Where we go? Do you want me to turn your head? Because you're going out over the ocean.
No, I'm all cool.
Oh, yeah,
I can hear
that
it.
way. Yep.
I'm
yep.
gonna head out over the ocean and just have
Okay.
a little.
I don't know why I'm filming out there. Oh, I'm getting a bit of break up there. What about you?
Yeah, a little bit. I'm just gonna fly along the coast a little.
I'm getting heaps of break up. Can you see it all?
Yep.
Where's my patch?
That's your house there.
Yep. All right. How's your flight times go?
Yeah, I don't know. There's a bit of breakup on this. If I go back to the other camera, I'll get that stuff back. I'm at 6 minutes.
Oh, so your OSD's only on one camera?
Well, I think what it is one's a PAL camera and one's an NTSC.
Okay, and it's freaking out between the two.
So it's flipping out, yeah.
Are you coming in for a landing?
No, I'll do a flyby.
Alright. I'm here, I'm ready. Open the Bombay doors! Bum, 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 bum! Do another pass.
I'll come back the other way.
How would you rate today's flying weather?
Oh, it's just
For a wing.
Look, it's just perfect today. There's no wind.
That is so stable, I got to say, on there.
Yeah, it's brilliant. And it's got a flight controller inside. This is in manual mode, so there's
Little bit of help?
there's no stabilization. If I put this,
Acro mode. Horizon mode.
so this one now
Yep.
will just auto level. Oh, it must have had a miss center because when I let go,
It's going back
it's
to
going.
the other way.
no. So I'm just going to fly it in manual mode.
No worries.
Just needs a little bit of tweaking out.
Alright, let's see your best landing. How are you going to come in from landing? From the other way?
I'll come in the other way and
Yep.
I'll land towards the
fence?
Yeah. Should we put a should we do from the nose like this?
A what?
We'll go from the nose.
You're
like
going to
this.
land with that front video camera?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Maybe not.
A bit too much, a bit too tricky.
Yeah.
Alright, you're going over the sheep. Hey, sheepies.
All right, ready?
Alright, he's turning around. I'm going to watch this line of sight, alright? Oh, you seem high.
No.
Oh, it's gliding. I forgot the stall speed of this thing is ridiculous, isn't it? Look at it. Just silent. Beautiful.
How's that? Was that all right?
Well done. Yeah, that was pretty good. How would you rate your landing?
That was a 5 out of 10. It was a bit heavy. I thought.
Okay.
I don't know if I could-
What about you guys? What do you think?
No, that was bad.
You should have seen it here too when I had all those people. You know when Jono smashed your wing,
Yeah.
like you can see right here.
Yeah.
I had the best landing you've ever seen, man. I was trying to get it down a lot earlier.
So it was like that, was it?
No, it just landed about maybe where the cardboard is, and it just gracefully went skidded to about where you are.
Magic.
And I just had to step 1 meter and get it. It was perfect.
Magic.
The best landing I've ever done. Made me look like a pro. It was total fluke.
Love it. Shitty,
Oh, it's a bit muddy.
she took a bit of mud.
Yeah, but it is very wet here.
Yeah.
Ready to fly.
Hang on. Just pull that shit out of there. Oh, shit almighty.
It's gonna need a bath.
Definitely needs a bath.
Those LEDs look unreal.
They are the.
Oh, and even this one lights up.
It's got a. You can change them. You can short out a thing to make them pulse, flash, stay on, stay off, whatever you want.
It looks good, man.
And you can also wire them up to a servo, and you can, depending on the position, it changes the flash mode.
Yep.
But I just set them like that. As hard
No, they
wire.
look great. Is that kind of like aviation colours too?
They are aviation colours. Yeah,
Alright.
and the right way. So green on the right, left, red on the left.
Cool. Thanks, Tony. What did you
still
think
off.
about the? What did you think about the dual camera system?
I thought that was really good. I
Yeah.
thought the.
I want more actually. Can we put more on there?
I'm going to put another camera, and I'm thinking maybe we'll put one.
I reckon
on the back here,
I'd-
looking
yeah,
straight back.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Oh, well, maybe one up here. Oh, one on the wing would also
Maybe
be
one
good.
on the wingtip, looking back.
Yep.
I
This
know.
one is almost the same as the front though, but you do get that cool pan shot that looks out over
Yeah,
the wing. It
yeah.
looks. I don't like the look of it going forwards.
You don't?
Because you've got all this. It takes up half the screen.
Yeah, but the point is, the front one can do that.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
This
so-
is more about trying to look backwards.
Yeah.
I mean, I could always mount.
Can
that.
you make that so it goes full 360?
I don't know.
If you put it here and it can go all the way around?
This is a 180 servo, so I think there are some, if you open them up, you can change a resistor and it allows it to go further.
Okay.
A bit beyond me, I'm just happy just to buy one that does it.
Okay.
But yeah, you could do one that does 360.
Nice.
Yeah,
Well,
that's good.
hopefully you guys enjoyed that little bonus episode. Other than that, subscribe for more FPV related, I guess, long range, dual camera action, and as always, happy flying.
Clear the mud off. All right, you ready?
Yeah, man. Watch Tony throw this, hopefully not into the drink.
Hopefully not.